Hi, this is our AI4all large language model tool that is completely open source, free, unlimited, and private. So here I am. I'm going to put in a prompt about starting a new business. I'm in the chat mode now, and you can see how quickly it comes up. We have a fast think and a deep think. I could be putting in PDFs and other information. I could be loading past chats or searching them. So it's really meant for significant use in a small business, in a nonprofit or cultural institution, and with students. The main thing about it is this energy dashboard. People are quite worried about climate change and the energy impact. So one, we tell you completely what your energy usage is, and we give you tips on how to be reasonable about that. Did you need the fast mode or the slow mode? Did you need the answer today, or could you let it run overnight? And what model you're using. So we have vibe coding, we have going out and getting web information, number of image analysis or image generation, and here's the models that we do. So the issue is that commercial cloud-based AI systems that are corporate-based, like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude, have fundamental challenges. And we're looking to data privacy, to high subscription rates, technical barriers, and more so, homogenizing tendencies that flatten cultural nuance and diversity. So with our system, we're using the best of the open source models. We're doing research on which ones make sense for what. Many of them are 10 to even 80% less energy than these large models, and we can manage them as we use them. I've mentioned that we have a number of different tools. So for instance, here's the image gen tool. So that would be where I could generate new video or no images, like I am here. Some of the tools on the open source side are as good or even better, especially on the image generation side. And you can see here I could actually do image analysis with our other tool. So a piece of art, I have asked to describe it. It describes it quite well and in detail. The same thing here by giving it a photograph, not only explains it, but even can tell which side of Niagara Falls this woman is on. Then I have the web tool. You can see I want to visit Montreal this coming weekend. Please check, given the weather on Saturday and Sunday, what would be the best events. And it can give me highly detailed by going out on the web. So everything you could imagine from very strong large language models tools, but in a way where we're democratizing knowledge production and reducing the digital divide, because this is available to everyone where it's free, unlimited, and completely private. Lastly, besides our environmental stance and the best of open source tools, we also are very different than the corporate systems, which tend to give you one tool. You ask it a question, it answers you. You're not even sure what it did to do that. We have separated our tools out to bring back orchestration or human in the loop thinking. So the user is running everything. So they could be using the web to go out and get the best articles on the pollution that might be happening in their community, then using the deep think chat to analyze that, coming up with the best 5 points, doing more work there, coming up with charts and analyzing charts and images, and using vibe coding to put all that together in a new website or interactive dashboard. So this is the new techniques where you keep the human in the loop and fully in control, not just asking questions, but directing everything. We do this with helping with tutorials, and you can see an efficiency tip here. So totally community-based, free, open, unlimited, energy efficient, human in the loop, AI, to redemocratize AI for nonprofits, cultural institutions, small businesses, students, and more. Please join us. Thank you.